Hey, welcome back. If you create content, manage projects, or work with any kind of visual material, this video is going to change how you work. Today, I'm showing you how to combine two tools, Notion and Canva, into one seamless creative workflow. And when I say seamless, I mean your designs live inside your project tracker, your content calendar updates in real time, and you never have to dig through folders looking for the latest version of a file again. Both tools are free to start. You do not need any design experience or technical knowledge. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear step-by-step picture of exactly how to set this up for yourself. Let us get into it. Before we get into the setup, let me explain why Notion and Canva are such a good match, because on the surface they seem like very different tools. Notion is a workspace tool. It is where you organize information, track projects, manage schedules, and store documents. It is your brain for everything operational. Canva is a design tool. It is where you create visuals, graphics, presentations, thumbnails, and any kind of content that needs to look good. It is your creative output machine. The problem most people run into is that these two sides of their work, the organizational side and the creative side, live in completely separate places. You have your project plan in one app and your designs in another, and connecting them requires constant manual work. Downloading files, uploading them somewhere else, updating statuses by hand, checking which version is current. The Notion and Canva combo solves this by letting your designs live directly inside your Notion workspace. You plan and track in Notion, you design in Canva, and the two are connected so that when your design updates in Canva, it automatically reflects in Notion. No downloading, no re-uploading, no version confusion. That is the core of what we are building today. Everything in this workflow starts with a database in Notion. This is your command center for all your creative projects. Go to notion.so and sign in with a free account. Create a new page and add a database. You can do this by typing / and selecting table or database, then choosing inline. Now set up the columns that your workflow needs. Here are the ones I recommend as a starting point. The first column is the project or content title. This is just the name of what you are working on. The second column is status. Set this up as a select property with options like idea, in progress, designing, ready to post, and done. This single column gives you an at-a-glance view of where everything stands. The third column is platform, another select property with options like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, or whatever channels you use. This lets you filter your database by platform with one click. The fourth column is due date, a date property that lets you sort by deadline and switch to a calendar view to see your schedule laid out by week or month. Add a few sample rows to your database now. Just make up some project names like product launch graphic, weekly newsletter header, or client presentation slides. Give each one a status and a platform. Your database is now the foundation of your entire creative workflow. Notion's free plan covers all of this completely. No subscription required. Once your project is logged in Notion and you know what you need to create, you move to Canva to build it. Go to canva.com and sign in with a free account. Search for the format you need, whether that is an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, a presentation slide, or anything else. Pick a template that fits the style you want. Customize it with your text and images, and your design is ready. A few things to keep in mind while you are working in Canva. Stay consistent with your visual style. Pick 2 or 3 colors and 1 or 2 fonts, and use them across all your designs. This is what makes your content look like it belongs together, rather than like it came from different people. If you have Canva Pro, the brand kit feature stores your colors, fonts, and logo in one place, so they are always ready to apply. If you are on the free plan, just keep a Notion page with your color codes and font names written down as your manual brand guide. Name your designs clearly inside Canva. Use the same name you used in your Notion database. This makes it much easier to find the right design when you're working across both tools. Do not export the file when you finish. leave it open in Canva. In the next section, we are going to connect it to Notion directly, so you don't need a downloaded file at all. This is the step that ties the whole system together, and it is simpler than most people expect. When you have a design open in Canva, look for the Share button in the top right corner. Click it. Then look for a button or option that says More. Inside that menu, find the Embed option. Canva will generate what is called a Smart Embed link. Copy that link. Now go back to your Notion database. Open the project page that corresponds to the design you just made. Inside that page, type / and select Embed. Paste the Canva Smart Embed link into the field and confirm. Your Canva design will now appear live inside your Notion page. You can see the graphic right there in the same place as your project notes, your status, your due date, and all your other project information. Here's the part that makes this genuinely powerful. If you go back to Canva and make a change to the design, that change automatically shows up in the embedded view in Notion. You do not need to update anything. The embed is a live connection, not a static screenshot. This means your Notion workspace always shows the latest version of your design without any extra work on your part. This feature works on the free Canva plan. No subscription is required to generate an embed link or to use the Smart Embed function. Now let me walk you through how this workflow actually runs from start to finish. Step 1 is ideation. You have an idea for a piece of content. You open your Notion database and add a new row. You give it a title. Set the status to idea. Pick the platform and add a due date. You open the project page and write a few notes about what the content should say and what the visual should look like. This takes about 2 minutes. Step 2 is design. When you are ready to create the visual, you open Canva. You pick a template, customize it to match your notes, and get the design to a point where it looks the way you want. You go to Share, More, Embed, and copy the Smart Embed link. Back in Notion, you open the project page and embed the design. You update the status to In Progress or Designing. Step 3 is Review. Because the design is embedded in Notion, anyone you share the Notion page with can see the design right there alongside the project details. If you are working alone, this is just your own review step. If you work with a team or a client, they can leave comments directly on the Notion page without needing a Canva account. If you need to make changes, go back to Canva, update the design, and the embed in Notion updates automatically. No re-embedding, no re-uploading. Step 4 is Ready to Post. Once the design is approved, update the status to Ready to Post. This is your trigger that this piece of content is finished and cleared for publishing. You now have a reliable system where every piece of content has a clear record of what it is, what it looks like, who approved it, and when it is supposed to go out. Step 5 is Archive. After the content is published, update the status to Done. The project page in Notion stays as a permanent record. 6 months from now, you can look back at any piece of content and see exactly what it looked like, what the plan was, and when it went out. If you do any kind of client-facing work, this workflow has a specific application that is worth talking about separately. Instead of emailing design files back and forth or sharing Google Drive folders that clients can never find again, you can build a client portal in Notion. Inside that page, embed all the designs you are working on for them directly from Canva. Add a section for feedback where the client can leave comments. Add a section for project status so they can see at a glance where things stand. When you share the Notion page with a client, they see a clean, professional dashboard with their designs embedded live. When you make a revision in Canva, the design updates in their portal automatically. They do not need to be sent a new file. They do not need to know how to use Canva. They just see the latest version every time they open the page. This replaces a lot of back-and-forth email and creates a much better client experience with tools that are either free or low cost. Once the core workflow is running smoothly, there is one more layer worth knowing about, which is automation. The manual version of this workflow is already very efficient, but if you want to take it further, tools like Make, found at make.com, or AppyPie Automate, can connect Canva and Notion so that certain actions happen automatically. For example, you could set up an automation where every time you export a file from Canva, a new row automatically appears in your Notion database with the file linked. Or when you move a Notion status to ready to post, it triggers a notification or a task in another tool. Make has a free plan that allows a limited number of automations per month. AppyPie also has a free tier with basic functionality. These tools require some setup time, so I recommend only exploring them once your manual workflow is already comfortable and you have a clear sense of which repetitive steps you would benefit from automating. For most beginners, the manual embed workflow covered earlier in this video is more than enough to see a major improvement in how organized and connected your creative process feels. Here is the simplest possible starting point if you want to build this system today. Open Notion and create one database with 4 columns: title, status, platform, and due date. Add your current active projects as rows. Open Canva and find or create one design you are currently working on. Follow the embed steps from section 4. Share, more, embed. Copy the Smart Embed link. Paste it into the Notion project page. That is it. You have the core of the system working in under 30 minutes. From there, you can expand it. Add more columns to your database. Build out project pages with more detail. Create a client portal page. Explore automation when you are ready. But the core is simple, and you can start right now without any prior experience with either tool. And that is the full Notion and Canva creative workflow. A project database that tracks everything, designs embedded live inside your workspace, a clear pipeline from idea to published, and a client-ready setup that works without any extra file management. Both tools are free to start. The Smart Embed feature we covered works on the free Canva plan, and everything I showed you in Notion is available on the free plan with no subscription required. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I put out productivity and workflow videos regularly, and I do not want you to miss the next one. Drop a comment and let me know what kind of content you create or what projects you manage. I would love to know how you are going to use this setup.